Hi guys! Here's the Chicopee Tube Park. Chicopee Tube Park. I don't know how to pronounce it. But we're here because I got 2 free tickets para sa ilang pop-up gallery. So,
You know, the hardest part is letting go. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we could stay. Why? We could stay. Why? We could stay. We could stay. Wake up, don't miss your chance. Take off, get lost again. Young enough to change our love. Laugh it off when times get tough. Follow me to the sunshine. Come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb. I know somewhere that you and I we could stay. Why? We could stay. Why? We could stay. We could stay.
so mga besh, mga bay, humana na me. Lami kay ang free. Nasulit na mo. Walang tao. Nasulit na mo. Like 30 minutes. So guys, check out our next vlog. Bye!